Hello everyone, welcome on our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can spawn or summon Deerclops in Terraria. So there's only one method how you can summon it. You have to craft his summoning item. To craft it you need flinks for you can obtain it from flinks, and that spawns only on Snow Biome. Then you will need Demonite or Crimdane ore, depends on what biome, evil biome you have on your world, and one lens. And you have to go, it depends on your world, but for me that's corruption world, so I had to find corruption altar and just simply craft it. But that's one thing, you can't summon it everywhere. You have to summon it on Snow Biome. So that's all. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.